Okay. Let's go put uniform on. Let's go out on patrol. Available. Okay, let's hop in our truck here. Let's get this thing started and then let's roll out. We've got a unit flying down Maple Street right now, heading into Springfield right now. Springfield running orange. What is this dude doing? It's our own unit. It's the Springfield police. It did not take that turn well. Whoa. There's a lot of sheriffs around here. They keep flying up and down. Hey, what's he doing? Lakeview Court, yep. We're gonna respond to that one. I'm ready to call. Writing down Goodson Lane right now. On scene. Postal 907, on scene. What's going on out here? Do you need help, officers? Alright, I didn't think they need my help. I think that was another call. Let me check. Yeah, this is not postal 907. Sorry. Lock your doors. Okay, we got one. There's someone wanted out here. We gotta shut down the city. Shut down this neighborhood. I don't know why units are arriving out here. We don't need help here. Okay. Let's let everybody know that we have to. Everybody inside. Inside your houses. Let's go check if everybody's okay in here. There is someone on the loose. Lock your doors. didn't have to do that now. I'm stuck inside. Okay. Got them deal with. I checked his IDUs, alright. Okay. We just have to get everybody out. This is not. Hey, what's going on over here? Stop out of my vehicle there. Hey, shots fired, shots fired! Shots fired, shots fired. Where'd he go, where'd he go? Lost visual. Officer has been shot. There is someone on the loose. Shut down the neighborhood again. Dispatching more units out patrolling the neighborhood. I just spotted someone with a gun. Shot a cop. Driving down like we record now. Scene was on. Let's see. Scene was on the corner of Spring Creek Road. It was on the corner of Spring Creek Road and Iron Road. In pursuit of the lawnmower driving down the road. We're heading down like we caught now. 3 officers in pursuit. He made an illegal U-turn, now turned back, heading across. He's staying in the right lane, luckily. It's very crowded around here. We gotta get civilians out of here. I am not the lead unit. I am the last unit. Lead unit is right up behind. His suspect is riding a blue. Suspect's vehicle is what looks to be a blue. He's avoiding police. He is definitely running. Heading back to Spring Creek Road now. Near the house that's been shut down from the stabbing. He's heading off-road now. Going onto private property. Running over the grass. And cutting it at the same time. This is a very slow pursuit. He's heading at about 10 miles an hour. I'm right up on the side of him. He's heading down. He's stuck. He's stuck. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Get out. Get out. Get out. He's running. I need to go hop in my vehicle here. Where'd he go? I lost him. What is this cop doing? Okay. Maybe we might go down to the... I was still searching for that suspect. Heading down Highway 55 now. Car driving erratically. That's not my jurisdiction. I'm gonna be heading down the highway now. Highway 55 south. Heading at 60 under the speed limit. Yeah, we got officers up here. Looks like we have a suspect found over here. Yeah, we got the tow truck down here. That's unfortunate. This is part of a crime scene. I have to look that off. No entering the vehicle. Sir, there's no point. Hop out. There we go. He's gonna get his car towed. Whoop. Got something on the MDT. Of calls. Responding. I'll be heading down there now. Code 2. Dispatch now heading down Highway 55 south. On the wrong side of the road there. I'm now heading Highway 55 north towards the call with the guy throwing the rock out the window. Just cut across traffic. It's a very late afternoon. There's no one on the road. Yeah, I shouldn't be flying down here so fast. Okay, what's going on over here? Seems like we have a lot of units responding. Not needed. Sir, get off the car. That's him. That's the guy I was running before. Where did you just go? Five warning shots. 3 officers on him. We got 3 officers on him. He's running into the bush. Hey, we got him tased. I got him. Hey, shots fired. Whoa. We caught the suspect. Dispatch, I got the suspect. He was the one that ran from me before, earlier. In the blue lawnmower. Now caught throwing rocks at cars. Yeah, this guy's going to jail for a long time. You can take him, officer. There you go, you got him. Okay. That's the end of my shift. We're gonna head back to station. I think that's gonna be it for this video. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe so you stay posted. Tell me in the comments what I should do in future videos. Maybe new role plays and stuff like that. Because there's so much more things I can do. And I just don't have the ideas. But you guys have so much more ideas than me. So yeah, tell me in the comments of future role plays, and if you like this, I will see it. I do check comments, and I will reply to your comment. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take on my uniform and go home.